for question number 6. Yeah. All right, so let's look at question number 6. This one, suppose an n-element array with n greater than 2 is unordered. Okay, unordered. What is the minimum number of inversions in this array? First, you need to know the inversion meaning, right? Inversion meaning. Yeah, the definition is given in the notes. Yeah. So basically, here, when we talk about inversion, we look at a pair of two elements in the array. Okay, all right. Two elements we take from the array using their natural order. Okay, yeah, here. This one using the natural order, that means the subscript I should be less than the subscript j in their natural order. All right. Then, when we look at the value should also be in ascending order. Ascending order. Then, because that's the in order case, right? In order case, then we do not worry about it. Yeah, because here the goal is sorting. Here, when we use this inversion, the goal, why we define inversion concept? For sorting. Because if it's in order case, then we do not need to do sorting work, right? Already in order, why we need to do sorting work? Only when it is not in order, then we need to do sorting work. That's the reason we introduced this concept. All right. So that is the out of order case. Out of order case, so that is a sub I greater than a sub j. This is, we say it is an inversion. Okay, all right. Yeah. So that's the meaning. All right. So from the given question, we need to find a minimum number of inversions in the array if array has the condition n greater than 2 and unordered. First, this unordered condition is useful. Yeah. It tells us the minimum number cannot be 0. Right? Yeah. If minimum number equals 0, then it is ordered. Yeah. Right? If the minimum number, I just write a minimum number, right? And not confusing. Minimum number of inversions equals 0, then the conclusion is ordered. For that reason, the minimum number should be greater than 0. Okay? Yeah, the answer. All right. But next, minimum number of inversions. Here, I may like to give you, two versions, two similar versions. The version 1, this is the version 1. Okay? For comparison, this is the version 1. This version 2. Okay? All right. Condition is the same as given in this question. Yeah. But the question is different. Version 2 question. Yeah. What is the minimum number of elements? Yeah, here, not inversion, elements that are not in place. This question, okay, version 2. Now you can see version 1 and version 2, the questions are different, right? Version 2 and version 1, although they are closely related, but the answers should be different. Here, I ask you the minimum number of elements, not inversions. Okay? Inversion, one pair, that is the one inversion. Elements, that one pair of inversion, there are two elements. Okay? So the answer is different. All right. Okay? Yeah. But when you answer this question, you need to answer the version 1 question. Do not answer version 2 questions, because it's very likely some of you may answer the version 2 questions, not version 1 questions. Yeah. Even I myself, I got confused. All right. Yeah. I made this question, but sometimes I use version 1, sometimes I use version 2, and I myself, I could get confused. Yeah. Actually, for this one, I did confused. Yeah. The first time when I entered the answer, I entered 1 for version 2, but later I changed. That could impact your answer. All right. But if your answer is affected by that change, I will correct it. Okay, so here I write it down. Okay, I will correct the wrong answer, or I will correct what wrong grading. Yeah, because for that reason, you may get a wrong grading. Okay. Problem. After I show you the answer, yeah, later I need to open up the answers. So when you see the answers, look at this question. If you did it correctly, but you didn't get the point, then I will give you the points back. Okay, the 4 points back. Yeah, yeah. I can check your answers. Yeah, I think I can find some place to see your answers. If I see you entered correct answer, but you didn't receive the points, then I will give you back. Okay, so that is this question. All right, yeah, clarify this question. Okay. All right,